Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to install kalilinux on VmWare. The, for this we are going to the Google and search I get into PC because we want to install the correct VmWare software. Search VmWare and here download the most recent and latest version of the software. To download this, scroll down and press the button and make sure your ad blocker is turned off because this website will not let you download the software if your ad blocker is turned on. Wait for a few seconds. As you are seeing, the download window is appear, but I already have downloaded this software, so I am not gonna download this. So here we are guys in our step number 2. In this step we will install Kali Linux in our PC. So first of all, let's download the Kali Linux from the official kali.org website. Type Kali Linux on Google and here the first link. Click this link and go to the download section. Hit the download Kali Linux. Download this latest version. I'm not gonna download this because I already have downloaded it. So what I'm gonna do this, first of all go to the directory and here you can see I downloaded the VmWare. I'm extracting it here. So guys, first of all go to the settings, Windows security, click on virus and threat protection, manage settings and turn off the real time because without turning off this we cannot install our cracked VmWare workstation. Open this folder and run this exe file. So to install VmWare, here are the two steps. The first step to install the VmWare and the second step will be to crack the VmWare. Simply install this, uncheck the enhance keyboard driver because I am not gonna install these drivers because I am just because it is a demo. So guys, I am not gonna click this, but for you click this must. Next, Uncheck this both and click next. Click install. While it is installing, go to the fix and run this keygen. Copy this key and wait for the VmWare workstation to be installed. So once you have installed this, do not click the finish icon, click the license icon and paste the key that you have copied from the keygen and press enter. And if the key is not working, go to the keygen and click generate button and copy this another key and then paste it. So from that, you have successfully installed VmWare workstation. Now we are installing Kali Linux over VmWare workstation. To do this, select this icon, create a new virtual machine. Because you are a beginner, that's why I am selecting the practical recommended. Click this installer, this file, and select the Kali Linux ISO file that we have downloaded from the kalilinux.org. Just ignore that message and press the next button. And here, if you have downloaded the Kali Linux 32-bit, then click this. And if you have downloaded the Kali Linux 64-bit, then click this. Press the next icon and name your operating system Kali Linux. Press next. The minimum requirement to install the Kali Linux is 20 GB. So in your drive, you must have 20 GB space free in your drive to install the Kali Linux. Press next button, and if you are you want to give extra RAM, that I am giving 2 GB RAM, so I am dragging into the 2 GB and close this. So I have given the 2 GB RAM to that of Kali Linux operating system. Then click next, and here we are. Click on power on this virtual machine, and here we are. Go to the graphical install. Make sure you have extended the RAM from 512 MB to 1 GB or 2 GB, because if you have not extended the RAM, you will not be able to see the graphical installation. Press the region and location you want to select. Please do not fast forward this video, because each and every step is most important for you. Please do not think too much. Follow the steps that I am doing. Click the guided views entire disk because you are a beginner. Press continue. All files in one partition, and if you are not a beginner, then you can select separate, and then your partitions will be separated like variable and temporary files. But for now I am selecting all files in one partition. As now finish partition and write changes to the disk. Press continue. Select that radio button to the yes and press continue. Now kalilinux is installing in the system, so be patient here while installing kalilinux. And here use a network mirror. Click no and continue. So here comes the main part. It is installing the grub bootloader to boot the Kali Linux over a virtual machine we created. Make sure this button is clicked on yes, then press continue. So congrats, the installation has been completed. Press continue to let the system eject the installation keys and boots our Kali Linux operating system on our virtual machine. So guys, the installation of Kali Linux or a virtual machine has been successfully completed. Please like, subscribe and share my channel for the latest technology news like this.